Hi, my name's Henry. I'm a tech here at Keys Woodland Honda, and today we're going to go over how to replace a flat tire and use your spare. You want to pop your trunk. You always want to make sure that you have your e-brake on. This way, you prevent your car from rolling. Your spare tire is going to be in your trunk, underneath your trays here. These are your tools you'll probably be needing. And this is your spare tire. Now in this car today, what we have is a wheel lock. So you also want to make sure you get it. It's going to look a little bit different from the other lug nuts. A good idea is to always carry it with your tools. This way you know where it's at all the times. But on this one, it's in the glove box, where most customers keep their wheel locks. It'll come in a little bag like that Honda provides for you. This will be your tool to remove your lug nuts. First one you want to remove is your wheel lock. This will probably be the hardest one to get on there. Whenever you're removing lug nuts, you always want to push down, not really pull up. You get a little bit more torque out of it. Spin that guy off. Now we're going to jack up the car. All cars have a lift point. On this one here, it's a little extra piece of metal that is down here. Some cars will have a little arrow, but not on this one. Just make sure you put it on the lift point. You could always check the owner's manual to verify that that's the correct lift point. Just lift it by hand just a little bit. Now that you got it off the ground, you want to loosen up your lug nuts because when you have it lifted up, it might tend to spin on you. You just want to loosen it up and not take them out. Alright. You install this hook in here and you put right through there. You just spin it clockwise to lift it up, counter to bring it back down. You want to lift it up so you can get just enough clearance to take off the tire. That's about as high as you want to take it. Just spin them back out. Out of the way. Get your spare. You want to get all of them on, hand tight. Just tighten them down by hand. Now we got these on tight. Remember, you always want to go in a star pattern, never in a full circle, because the torque won't be right. Let's drop it down. Now once again, we're going to tighten these down. Always tighten down, just like we were loosening down, to get a little bit more torque out of it. And do it in a cross pattern. That's how you change your spare tire.